In this video, we are going to see some hands-on demo using generated knowledge prompting. So let's begin with a sentiment classification task using generated knowledge prompting. So we first ask the model to explain what makes a review positive or negative. Then we use the generated knowledge to analyze a new review. So here, let's consider this prompt. Generate knowledge. What makes a customer review positive or negative? So when you hit enter, the AI model generates a knowledge that will be used in next prompt to analyze the sentiment for a particular review based on the generated knowledge. So AI generated knowledge. Now coming to the second prompt, now use the above knowledge to classify this review. The delivery was late and the packaging was damaged. So in the first response, AI generated a knowledge, and in the second response, we are asking that use the above generated knowledge to classify this email sentiment. So based on the generated knowledge, it responds as a negative. So here the model first built context about what words signal positive or negative sentiment. Then using that understanding, it correctly recognized that late delivery and damaged packing match negative signals. Let's solve a common sense question. We first ask the model to generate some background knowledge, then use that knowledge to answer a real world scenario. So consider a prompt, generate knowledge. What usually happens to ice cream if left outside in the sun for 3 hours? So for this prompt, AI generated some knowledge. Now coming to the second prompt, now use the above knowledge to answer this. Ali bought ice cream and forgot it on the porch 3 hours. What likely happened to it? So using the above knowledge, it generated the output like the ice cream likely melted. So with clear self-generated knowledge background, the model didn't guess. It used environmental logic to make a natural, accurate prediction. So now let's solve a science-related question. First, we ask the model to generate the necessary background about how plants make food. Then we use that to answer a targeted question. So the prompt is generate knowledge. How do plants make their own food? So it generated some knowledge regarding how plants make their own food. It explained about photosynthesis, etc. Now coming to the second prompt, now use the above knowledge to answer this question. Why do plants need sunlight? So based on the generated knowledge, it explains that plant need sunlight to carry out photosynthesis, which allow them to produce foods. So actually the generated knowledge explanation in step 1 made step 2 easier and more accurate. Without, the model might give an incomplete or vague answer. So this is how generated knowledge prompting works. So in the next video, we are going to learn about directional stimulus prompting technique. Thank you.